Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens cooking again, and I thought I would share this with you. This is an amazing piece of smoked bacon, or pork belly. So I wanted to show this to you and just show you how nice it is and why I selected this from the local market. Look at that. There's virtually no fat. A little bit of fat, but really, really lean. So I'm just going to cut this into small dice and use it for a few recipes. There we go, like that. All right. Rendering the fat off the bacon. Once you pan fry it and get it as crispy as you want it, you just use a paper towel and there we go. Fried some of it up here like this. Oh yeah. And you just put it on the towel to remove some of that fat. Okay. Can be used for other recipes then, but now it's crispier. It's looking good. Wow. Nice. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking.